Hello, my name is Elvira, but people who do not know me call me Elvira. I immigrated to the United States of America almost 21 years ago with two small children, ages 6 and 10, from the Republic of Mariel. By then, none of us spoke English, but today we have learned a lot, and we learn the big difference between Russian "da" and American "da." I learned drive a car, and I remember how I put my ex-husband's Ford 150 into the ditch, and he was patient and calm when the tow truck came to rescue his pickup truck. Talking about him, I do appreciate that, good or bad, he was helping us, and today we all have a much better life, and everyone is happy with their own life. Thank you. Speaking about the Republic of Mariel. The Republic of Mariel, located northeast of Moscow in the Russian Federation. I am Mari nationality. And living in America for almost 21 years, I still kept my native language. I still speak my native Mari language here in the United States. And I kept my heritage that sometimes I happily share with my family and friends. By the way, I am one of the indigenous Mari people from Eastern Europe, who are called the last pagan society. Our religious rituals are characterized by harmonious devotion to nature and are at the core of their traditional and enduring practices. For almost 14 years, I worked for the state of Florida, where I met many good people with whom I became friends. With very warm memories, I remember that 14 my co-workers went to the state of Florida Supreme Court ceremony in Tallahassee, Florida, where I became a U.S. citizen. And after the ceremony, they had a party, American as an apple pie, for me and my children. And I was given the American flag that was flown on the state of Florida Capitol building. In 2017, because of my sickness, I left my job with state of Florida, and now I'm one of millions of over-the-road American truck drivers' wives. And being a truck driver wife, I'm seeing all the pluses and minuses in the trucking industry in the United States. While he is driving, I am busy with videos for my YouTube channel, and through my YouTube channel, thanks to Google, I was able to locate my fellow Mari people in the United States. And one of them is Dmitry Krivaksin, who lives in Los Angeles, California. Dmitry was the one who organized the first Mari Flower Festival for the Mari people in Los Angeles and for all Mari people in the United States of America. The flower festival is very popular in the Republic of Mariel.
В минувшие выходные 17 июня 2023 года в Мариэл в городе Йошкар-Оле и также в Америке, в штате Калифорния, в городе Лос-Анджелес, в парке Голливуда прошли праздник цветов Пеледеш Байрем.
I'm also busy with my knitting. Also, because in my past I had degree in a music and musical experience, I practice my songs in the truck and then record them in a professional sound studio. So most of the time, our Freightliner has become not only place of work, but also a living place with a kitchen and working music studio, videos and songs. One of most exciting projects was working with the song A Loving Look with my truck driver husband Jerry. By the way, Jerry never before sang. Originally, this song is in the Russian language and has the name "Любимый взгляд." Was composed and performed by Alexei Brantsev and Irina Kruk, and then was translated from the Russian language into my native Mari language by Mari professional writer Svetlana Grigorieva Soto. And after 1 year of practice in Mari language, especially for my husband, he's an American, we shared this song publicly.
Kudam Torah Ulam Oxite Schönlein Balanem.
En Nigel Onchaltish.
Torah Ulam Oxite Schönlein Balanem. En Nigel Onchaltish.
So because having a YouTube channel is really fun, working with every video, I can say that my videos improved since I started my YouTube channel. And this video for our song was made by me. So far, I have been in 48 states and I haven't been in Hawaii. Unfortunately, trucks cannot drive there, and I still look forward to seeing Vermont. The beauties of all other states, cities, and parks I have seen, and many of my videos are about it. Sometimes my kids are asking me which state is my favorite. I am not able to give them an answer. What is better desert or Florida, Texas? Or mountains and rivers of the state of Oregon? I do not know. I do like them all. They are different with their own different nature, cultural and religious differences. But I do pay attention to the homeless people like in California, Washington, Oregon or Pennsylvania states. What makes these people choose that lifestyle? I also can't say. It's possibly each of them has their own story. But I can say that for living in United States, thanks to God, I never had to apply for food stamps or any government help. For me personally, it was very humiliating because I do have hands and legs that are working and brain that is thinking, which is I am able to work and provide for me and my family as much as I can. And I did. With a college degree in the beginning of my life in the USA, I was cleaning the Holiday Inn Select hotel rooms in Tallahassee. Today, this hotel changed their name. The same way, I taught my children to work hard and be independent. And they are independent because if they are feeling that their money is not enough, then they are having second jobs. I didn't feel like making my children lazy and moral invalids. So giving money to some of the homeless people has to be very individual, not to everyone. And lately, I also paid attention to all of those people who are arriving to the United States of America from other countries illegally. When I came to the United States 20 years ago, that was a privilege. But today, the situation is changed. Giving taxpayers' money to everyone can badly hurt the American economy. I also sometimes can see from some of those illegal people a very ungrateful attitude. They came here illegally. The government let them stay, gave them a place to sleep, food to eat, including the free telephones that they can make calls. And they are still unhappy. Don't you remember that idiom that's saying, when in Rome, do as the Romans do? So I really hope that this video will be seen by many people, and the special people from whom today our life depends to be able to take care of our home, the United States of America, with love and care. The pursuit of happiness is allowed but not guaranteed by the government. So long as I have my freedom, I am happy. Hope everyone who watched this video understands my Alabama accent. And I'm sure you understand that this is a joke, because sometimes people ask me which part of Alabama I am from. I wish everyone all the best, happy, healthy, and prosperous life. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to not miss my next videos. And you can also watch some of my videos in English that I will put in the comment area. So, with love, Elvira from America. And at the end of my video, I would like to thank my husband Jerry for all his support, his philosophy. Happy wife, happy life works very well. So, thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome, my dear.